94.7 Asempa FM, Sunny all talk all day. Ekosi saying Jumedie and our Sugusua Uti and Medin your say bonsu from your be make us say Ora Kusibuafo, a CEO. Public Sector Reform Secretariat, or her sounds Honorable Oklite Taylor be a member of Parliament for the Lower Menya Krobo constituency in the Eastern region on the ticket of the NDC. We say, Obi, thank you very much for today's discussion. This is how matured democracy is practiced. When I listen to both Mr. Kusibuafo and Honorable Taylor B, you can see clearly that the discussion is focused purely on nation building. Please, more of this should be discussed going forward and not the usual NPP NDC. The party people coming to the station to discuss their political ambitions are destroying our nation as they don't speak to the main issues. Thank you. John Ate, United Kingdom. Good day, Obi. I'm really enjoying the show. I'm an SHS graduate who has passion for social work. Or I want to be a social work practitioner because of the high rate of unemployment in the country, especially in my field. That passion is fading away gradually. Wow. And you don't find people normally aspire to want to enter social work. In dunya bako sa or pese okwa onya sa challenges na edin. We say Obi, Mr. Kusibuafo has said on a number of occasions that if Ghana doesn't develop under the selfless leadership of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, then Ghana won't be. Can he sincerely say this is the economy he envisaged? Ghana needs to be fixed properly. No hope for the youth. Kofi Appiah, Kumasi. Know what the Ark Builder says. Mr. Obi, I'm personally in support of the Fix the Country campaign, but we all need to fix it together. Obi, please tell Honorable Kusibuafo that I have an idea for revenue collection in the District Assembly to close all the revenue leakages. Please tell him I'll visit him in his office for further discussions. Jim Brown, Ewo Kaswa, and and where I would want us to start the conversation from, relative to Fix Ghana Now campaign, the last but two message, and I'll start with you, Honorable Kusibuafo. But before that, we say great submissions from your guest every day, degree, yet we are, that this is where we are. Let's put much emphasis on do make I see. I like Honorable Taylor Abi's last submission that Nimdia is not all about degrees. I love Honorable Kusibuafo. He's deep. Regards to Salam Mustafa and Moses Abor. That's Farouk in Tema. There is one here which says, I think it's a very, very interesting message. Onose Obi, I would be grateful if Mr. Kusibuafo can share with listeners some of his achievements as head of Ghana's public sector reform. I'm at a base somewhere at the countryside doing the listening with some guys who claim Mr. Buafo takes delight in lamentations rather than taking drastic measures to reform our public sector. He should please prove them wrong. They are listening. Thank you. Sir Obama and Onudiwe Abba. Ora Kusibuafo mesha everywhere. And the person, apart from this question, will be here. Nipani say, you've said on so many occasions, say Ghana in Tumpo and Nana Akufo-Addo, then probably yen Tumpon. Obusa say, sincerely, is this the economy you envisaged under an Anado presidency? And this dovetails into this whole conversation around Fix Ghana. Me and you.
Me answer what they are yet to me under the public sector reforms. When we say Makasa strategy, in fact, there are areas we are fixing. Thomas Kusibuafo Jumani say or identify idea no aboa near source of funding near move to that entity no implement it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Kusibuafo Jumani say or call directory say more or less it is a brave sort of work.
Think tank,
yes, it took many Nana Yasafo Mafo.
Okay.
Into Ukwa. Oko baby to say DVL, ye change it. What you say? You develop programs at the amount of one. Say getting those cast documents and a whole name man. A be one of Guru Boys be in fake IBM. You be link car registration number the crowd with certain chips. Yeah, be what I bet you say number no. we are say enti ye bechew ye say police ni bi de wo kwakọ check it baby so na ye hwe company bi me hwe baby from Singapore say system bi kura betimi kura brake engine no so car no ho roadworthiness ya na engine no spark
enye so
na waka so said you sit here what's so it as that you know car time you take it register car no e chere dodo e bia wo bekọ no na GR custom for ho na we so eye we ha na delay we betime akodi ho be 6 days no register one car obehwe na Goro Boys ya pie ho Goro Boy ne je ya 2 hours 3 hours what in wie how is the Goro Boys so
able to do it that efficiently?
If you fake no kura na you enti na mama my ye ame hu now time we do register cars should be one yeah integrate all you know okay. One system enti upulu information no wa hunu ewo nipa no ho and then the national identification no
say on a simple
but to ko ho no mo a ubehu said de ade no AC cost pepe say the ye no enti DVLA has started seriously
okay
Yakope World Bank loan at the amount contract had been signed contractor no ebe schedule say hopefully next week and we call office they be go who here say or the inception report about yeah inception report no and no so obey then again say be activities of Ghana Niema we for a long time when who's about to me ye project obeko no kura no na nye relevant na citizens no nye no na no omo yes so they listen to Ghana aba yeah enche next week on Besha Siako field now the government must listen to the people more e wa se ho ni ehu de wo mo pe ankasa ne enyema won ni enyai se ya beto wo yegum so ya beye sei ebi a wo mu hia hospital na fe ya kokukuru bebe ne de akoto yeso monye mehu baby is
that not what the assemblies should be doing?
Very good. Assembly do that. Not assemblies in public sector na ase.
Okay.
Public sector na ase.
Okay.
Ti se microphone can say near pa. After that na call local government, you know. So what you say? The local government is also under this project. Local government. It is the apex of all parliament is even part. It is American. No public sector, no parliament can who. Every amount for nim say.
That's true.
Then the government machinery is also part. Abai no machinery no so part. It is na me fa es gracia no me near man no. And you say omo nka. Na that mean to me nkoka omo es gracia ho asem. Ave ni aba ya wie the DVL for ye omo de. Ave yin so passport office. Ave birth and death. Ghana for o hodman no bi ni number bi opi oseme ye Ghana ni no anya birth set. And then no ye nya ni sa ma ni nya sa bi. And ye be link no to local government no hodman na birth and death no eche. Ye mo be develop software akola no oba ni nyem kura no ko hospital no ni identify no so onyem date we ni ebe wo no ni ye be capture kura no. E de ebe wo no kura yi ni mo no. Na wo say capture no oba ye database so. Ye be shemra ye be ma parliament mo ayemra wadi mfie bi a unya website biem age so the court
ne nyina ka the new things
yeah new things na ebe ba no wadi mfie bi a nya so call ya wadi best 40 years wo se me ba beje website so age so the court to prove sampa wo ye Ghana ni
okay
81st year no there wo akoda no website ni be ye free in this country untu ahwe efiri workers one register kwara anu a o de be court na ya wasanso atueska ya pande show for not registering the child so the court to kura na okudi bemu a obesan be tueska asan ya register kwara anu na panimu so no wa ko prove akire Ghana say court say we ye Ghana ni yes ni ya build family tree ewo bia huntie ni mo nana ene yini nyina database de be capture no ene national identification no tinka obi nka o ma be ba wase ene ade ni nyina be capture pepepe ye bo computer no na o ma wo mo nyina na build kama ene o nana no na wo ho nti obi a unrelated to you no ye nya no sa family tree no to be ntimi ntwa nkontompo say me free here wo bodin no yes samraman ni bia wo free ha wani tua that just say you busa no question enti the entire was say so all these things will come on board the national identification yes so omo accelerate the rate omo di register nipa 10 ni enya the database yempo manya sa ne ma na integration no be ba ya chat yempo national ID no ebe your tax identification part on say ehase epui ebi ahase a ekoso a ya yes sa ne ma
and all these are initiatives from
all initiatives then the passport office what you see see what na strategy no what we say this passport office so ye be sa ne ma we nyina na ya make sure say o passport no so benya na deliver properly na no so ye dey abrew na bibia ye kama actually say equipment ne ho ne ma ene ayini de ya totototo ka wo mo cars wo be hia e de ye adwuma computers wo be call offices ya wo mo de be ye adwuma so ni nyina afenso so na ye be ye client service charter no ankasa ye de be bobo de abase obia umia phone so a me ko DVL ade a me hia ni so baby a document be adro bia say wo pa de adro bia just say there must be a system to tell you say passport no a wo pe no adru A be a table A or table B. E be di 1 hour. The entire akodi ho 1 hour. Enko there is a place over report to say nipa. Ni nyina so wo sa system no mu a ye develop a ye be na fe ansa na ne ye ba wages and salary and hono ne rationalization no. So the biggest rationalization of the size of the public sector workers. And also say one of the biggest year a war no more. I know they you be trained in a holistic manner. But this is coming from
ramifications.
Ramifications.
Unemployment.
What say?
So we rationalize it.
Obi wo ho no mo a kasa mre mahu workers bi obi wo kra wa head down na ni age no. What bi kra wa yare. Bi kra ye teacher ni. Menkengu o manum ase. Adwumayefo ni bi awensa say ya. They are just unfit to be in public service. But I must be honest. Sabe ebi ayen sadua mo a ni kwaso ogina hokra say oyi teacher ni a wo kira de. Sa depending nyina ya ma GS identify wo mo amaye. Wo mo so do be call rehab no time no ya ma eduru mre bi no wo mo antimi anyai no wo mo da so ye sadua mo a. Ye mo wo mo me mentors for drinkers in future. Now I feel you are getting rid of them from the system. Oh, it in never be okay car. Yara man for no, because the way you more shadow do and who said them medium identify say workers you be fed nipa there. You be fed nipa there. But ye shed near money ye na na me say ye accelerate private sector no entem. So private sector entem. Now public sector there, to be honest with you, so we can so awunim any 4 years. Even 3 years, then nipa no free education or more core the and so graduate.
Yeah.
So there will be more pressure. The pressure will be very considerable. 225,000 Ghanaians will be finishing university.
Yeah.
When we say the city, say additional 80,000 more will be coming on board. Yeah, I mean we are so the economy we need to absorb them. Our preparedness. And so no, I was said there as leaders and politicians. Ninya partisan politics, no say at the end of the day, no, and kwala we near do money babija wo. How are we preparing them? And this out there, agreement to be na so the ship. Na China for na kofa on wholesale. Edoma begu memu na abeye adwuma no wa ha. Fasad dwindwin we nyina ekotiri. Na dwene ho na hu. Sa na gwankrofo we kra me kofo ma bai. Da bia no emposu problem e ma na. So public sector reform so our doors are open. One say ebu ho idea bi aba. No aba magigi sa na ma no nyina bebre. Ya yete ho no mo bu ho no mo uridi concept no. Some are very fantastic, very rich. What task kind of ultimate nyansa wom applicable. Ye no ha no mo a betimi ayi ne bi wo nso so a ya na attitudinal change no. Wo say the city no. Just say o build a year me hu say only about 30% of Ghanaians yeah almost betimi eligible to pay tax and yetimi capture almost 70% are going free, including professionals
eligible to pay income
tax, eligible to pay
direct
income tax, direct tax. Well, some of them no echo. I can see chartered accountants, I can see lawyers, I can see architects. What you say? Yeah, men who say, any crofo etime develop property tax, any home men yinano, undervalued properties. Yeah, almost baby tax ya also mutriano. Yeah, no. I was here some revisit near revalue those properties in some prime areas. Obi the bedano kreje flat de bebe 10 flats or the jibe $1,000 a month. So 2,000 and so property tax no otriano minua e form. Obi a lawyer. So obi kura ye carpenter ni our bodan be nsia so afimu nyina charge bia be 200 to 300,000. So who dan bi obi akobo so a o charge 30,000 e be 40,000 o bobe nsia so afe e so sene sika teacher ni income untia tax. What you say ni pay pe kwan papa or per hospital papa or per school papa yen so the social intervention aba e very expensive for the citizens. And you what say you leverage that social intervention on the income.
But how about Omoamoka? And because honorable here, every parliament, you know, Eka say, Saosha Ghana had this concept say Ghana for Bibrina into a tax. No, we have to break down that argument and look at the data well. Because at the end of the day, say Osha direct and indirect. For indirect taxes, consumption tax especially, Ghana's rate in terms of consumption tax are amongst the highest in the world. Consumption tax
and indirect tax.
And an indirect tax. Almost everybody in Ghana area.
Yes.
There is no single country on earth every citizen area direct tax. Like every citizen area. Even in the US, where 50% of citizens, depending on their income, on where Juma Yempo, depending on their income,
yes,
they don't pay.
Yes, I know
their income. It won't pay income. The government itself has said, say, yeah, unemployment rate under 5%, 4-point-something% unemployment. What it tells me is that I bind him majority of the populace na Juma or more. So chase them and take your money. And even apart from that, majority of these people, in fact, all of us, it's your indirect tax. Huge. And there's also VAT, the NHIL component, the new tax handles, now buying at the 1% at the atoso. And what it means is that we are going to pay even more indirect tax. The ones on fuel, any other additional. We pay tax as a country, we pay tax. Indirect tax, we pay.
No, say indirect tax. If you are cracking to your income tax,
yes,
yes, and could be indirect taxes, yeah, ububo dia, if you could be anti-business, there are specific people. I've mentioned names. I've mentioned work AEB. CSC way architect. Oko ye we ma drop building plan we ye we say man we ye we say man. Sika oji wo
direct income eba ne
hono. Omusi private buildings, enye government buildings, and omutua. Na private buildings, na Ghana so utimu say private people no. Esi fie papa.
More.
Now
Obi anto withholding tax bi.
Capital Obi NTB. Eno no na doso o. Property rate tax ni ade eno no na doso o. What you say? A dan no kwa ye de ama rent no. Ya wo no akọji ni sika no. E wo so otua tax on the rent. $1,000 ni $2,000 no. Woji ya na herbutum. Property no so wantua ho tax. Wo pekania e wo saa area ho. Wo pe security enso wo saa area ho. Wo pensio e wo saa area ho. Wo pe school and hospital enso wo saa area ho. Wo simi tua tax.
Okay, with that challenge, then the easiest thing for government to do then
to go the indirect
tax.
Okay. You kwara bremu no wa wasum no ma fidie bia a chechiri nkuzie no ne ade atata wira mu mu bia wonim tricks ya tax. Wonim tricks ya tax pepepe. So wo kofa aburu agu afidie ma buruburu ayi no na wo kofa we wo de adwe wonim se kusie pe wonim we nom ayi asa ne ma ne nyina no de wudi benya no wo hu se de sitia de wudi benya no na wo di trace no ohun enti say no the infantry ho no say well taxes ya ene me ya kan ya bubo di kanipa we no nyina boa ye ne ene ye nyina collectively wo koka we ji o obedi we nsusu ji a obedi we ji a obedi mahu mesia ono no je 150 Ghana na ne boy no wodi na chi no age 70 Ghana ono na ya no de ayi no man no every day asem na making we sa amount ya mabodin eso sene daily wage of a teacher one say the city no one so otanya bi wokura wotimi nya no more bi kura 30 days no be nya tum one say the city per definition of employment or employed but yemu yon say to otimi atua bibi kura de aboa district assembly no mpo kura no a owo no eho enso be coordinate ni abre ye kwa ne nye yensuo ne nye ye bibia anye ade kane a akura de bi kura ahwa ye nto aba ona botela bi nto aba ntia no oko ye wonyewe ono so na ti ho a osisi saa ne mani nya eno no na me ka kire say reforms no de ye be ye na ye tame ya mo minor tena ho ache ka wasi ya formalize economy no saa national idea ye hian den for formalization of this economy no atake ye more than 10 years. If former president ko fok penso na ba bedru samiri enti mfie ko be se dunum ni ene yete ho se ye pe national ID uduru ba bia aboa odwan na ntwie wo be ko no na tag ona no ID no bo na ntwie no aso ho ya ye dia tag no obi atia si wira mu kan moa ni nua enso so ye de yenim enipa kura mpokura dodo na nka enkraman dodo e wokro mu wọ́n say the city ye nya ne sa wọ́n say the city no e wo say ye jejejeje sa na ma we say nyina wo behwe krom na obi timi move anantwie na emu na mu na emu ko move nwan na emu ko na omu move we ene how Denmark no na ye a wo mo ka no how do you move who move emu say kra across the street ya one far vehicle no unim punishment unim tax obetua unim sika obetua and san wo move head of cattle from one destination to another destination. Enti ya wose no ene ye. Enti minua no ye guso a ye. In fact, ye secure sika be 180 million Ghana cedis. Ya ye de reforms you know. Ya ye guso a ye minim say up to be 2023 because me acting. So me koso a hold so whoever will come. Ya secure sika to that tune. Ya ohwa ono so eba beto so ana sabi na me wo ho whatever happens so na nipa no a kire say we ne ye blueprint ya ye mfa nchechire wo man no enwo ho so the reforms is non partisan ya wo say ye ni bre na ntisa de a we be ye no ntisa ko hang ho a me kan hu say reforms me buy a document original document me share no it was prepared by the NDC and ye buy ya you hwe mu a me hu say there are good things in it let us continue ye fa bi nka ho na ye move forward what who said the city no ye say bibia na aba asmato ato and I have been saying this over the period see a beto document bia no omo no ahyase na che say o matiase say e wo say change enema bebre away system no including Russia no na me catch the document be omo hand over to me any ade yenyi number of workers say here di way including banking reforms is part of the document that was handed over to me so say Ghana banks no enye intian reform ni make sure it is so massive banking reforms even though painful it was so necessary at that particular time yes sanka by now COVID ikum nipa no na banking related crisis and so and crofo chicha konfu eka ho ka double jeopardy ya me no mienu nka samre ebeti egu ya so ti
asam kese
ti se no wo bi se Rome ya nchechire no a day na me hwe situation say the city a aban ya yebi we still need to do more Ghana quiet to say obia okoda hospital under extended credit facility of the IMF ni yi no ni edi ni nurama no so nkofie nkonom na bobo ya asan bebo no ni asan de na hospital ho no nso biem wo musa na ze Ghana aye so enti yare no enkoi omo kan fix yi no abobo ya no so ebo no kan ne de na eja to wo nko afie o enti na fie foforo de gya na entomru tim beboa ene wo ka mememro no
ija da obi
ebi da Germany oda form team America oda form team South Africa oda form Nigeria oda form DR Congo Rwanda me call ho na me de no twa Ghana mpoa no na no me call ye wo mo che mo emo no nipa ba ko do card ne na eto you can buy only one bag a month untimi ntomro one bag ya sa amre no Ghana ha na otam kia edisi ho ba bia na me gina no tachi man dwobo na betimi alodu emo bag full ya usika gu botomu a wo ye ba yire ubetimi anya full abro ubetimi anya full articulator track na odia ye ti kire wo say Ghana nso antrase even COVID-19 no as if by magic na by na prepare seriously to meet any eventuality enti ekom no a eba ye wiase ekekere nkrofo bebrebe no East Africa de e condemn wo muto Rwanda banchi ahaban na no wo muti epoto de say stew no wo mutetewe Southern Sudan abrojuma wo mudua na kripu UN de koma wo mu nya abrojuma no na eye yiyama o mai dio na haban no na wo mutete o tete a na wo the salt ahohoro ho sa na mo atwitwa na ye te say de atwitwa cabbage no na febo sesare Kenya ye manipa ba ko ntoburo one bag ye che ha quarter a bag for a family also for 2 weeks na wo mu de aye chechire aburo no kura na wo mu si wo mu de bo na yam wo mu si
all this COVID period
year you know mu go countries Sierra Leone Liberia wo ma short pharmaceutical products ya wo mu so suffer ya duro kura ya Dr. Tredro Mawa udru hospital hall mo a eden all places sometimes even in Europe testing kit was Spain was Portugal almost short to dey be Ghana ya Ghana wo koda ho a wo bia wanya COVID bia be hu sanyo onu netua ne honka nipa na wu kura no ya san di motoke de adi wanim ayi prosini ya wo san be sie wo ukrom kama so motoke de animu country bi wo ho a you pay ansakura na ambulance no de enipa na akọ akusie no e ka ye board wo hu nyina ubetua Ghana ban ne fasaka we nyina so indeed one more kano they have legitimate rights yes a problem ni ho problems wo but this is the government what start fix be kenya COVID and e ba ye any enya growth no about 6.7% no 2018 move to 2019 na 2020 and drop to 0.9 any etimi sustaining no enka Ghana cafe ka accelerator no na yeti aso eti obi a wo ka bia minim you no problem no ne say all ayi bi e beba say ye pandemic say ye dey say ye austerity under the IMF anywhere bank no eye youth no ne suffer pa because to be na cross bi aba net employment fees ni emfa wo mo adwuma ebi nso anyini wo wie school no wo tifie ni nua no odi na chi enso so awia ba beto no family baako nipa be 3 awie university wo mo nya adwuma nye pressure ba wo mo so wo ti ase aso anyini ase wunyi o papa nta ade na opempam ho na ade ase wo top student no wasan to semina mo adware na odidi a wagya obi wuyi aduane free table so ekoko dit se wo nkwara brem no bepepe ya ankasa obi kura duru na ware so kaza so wo ware no ga no kura obi age na free nisam ya wode ni sagu ni ti ma wo su onne hihya aware ehu o enso boto no nye what you say eti wo hwe ye ejageli ma mese no what the who tensan nyina bebo aban no say e dey COVID so eti mesre sa mire na wo se nya message papa e ka kire youth no achia na mui ye be ye adwuma na de na me ye ne say wo mo intention ni ye say be ye politician enko wura mu no one capitalize on it say a political advantage say mu and ye mu fem preach negativism what you say politics dey to brebi a you vulture what you say say the city you vulture wonam te say pete ohun abo bia wa ye mira no okope no atwene nso de afa ne to won say the city no so when politicians are vulturing around obehu youth bi ya woko ye
take advantage
no take advantage let us do our politics but the reality on the ground on us say the whole world is challenged our problem is to ensure say COVID no entimin kum ni party say dodo to say the kum India for near mitigate all most of the negative impact COVID no at the beba now in our own small way fix your home kakra within our own confinement near catch ban say aban ko chini pe duro ni bi say na ban say duro no min ko pe bi ma na memo mawu a ka wora said say it is a bad government
ma mintie honorable Taylor na Jane on this fix Ghana campaigner Koso. Honorable, what do you think the youth are driving this campaign?
Yes.
Any lessons?
And rightly so. I mean, it's expected. Because honestly, the situation we find ourselves in is very, very bad, very precarious. They say, and I make my initial comment was that we should listen, and take advice from wherever it is coming from. You see, the whole of West Africa, COVID, we have been fortunate. West African countries, we have been very, very fortunate. Now, our leadership should take advantage. The edge we have over others now almost suffers the same. Yes. Now you're making use of it. Unfortunately, we missed that opportunity. But I hope, say, with the fixed Ghana, we will come back. Because me finance minister, no man of kind in they miss me who say, the kind we need a certain working document to assure us, say, also about Tampa, you are going to do this in health, roads, whatever. It shouldn't be just talk. So one day I can make reference to it. So they make say, and we had to, and we missed the opportunity because we have done our part individually as government and whatever. But a lot also in America say by some divine, providence, I didn't mean hiti and stay there. Hiti others. Because I get hiti and the farmers into me call farms near there. I got food now me brother can say food in there would have been in trouble. But by some divine ways, core villages, no grab, you know, grab 50, say I didn't buy, even villages who want to grab face mask, Ramun Shebida. Yes. Ramun Shebida. And even within Accra, Hanuma didn't buy Nagazangasa. Yeah, she be beat the Bukum. She sent an amount for war on Mupa. I didn't mean Rahon. Intimate Rahon. She said, yeah, Ubia best petty said, but that doesn't mean that one lose guard or honor. And then because say, Yankupo boy, who buy pa. Anything we should have taken advantage of that. Ube who say, assembly buy, were the first to go to the IMF for money. So they say, Sikano, the idea, Bibri am wying. Now, again, the idea say a person win election also. Anything afe right now afe the fifth Ghana afe na amount for Emma will verdict on the government of Akufo-Addo 4 years.
Not the elections.
No. The
you don't get that verdict from the elections.
No. Because during the election, nobody was, you see, when a certain state afe na amount for my verdict, Akufo-Addo performance for the 4 years. Because people are now having a respite and they are looking back, looking at promises made. They can hope I am my they say, oh, I mean, some of the promises are they can't say, I feel a month for I say, when you accident for a moment, why you do sorry, I don't be safe and I feel I'll be so proper. I feel a month for the Ecoson. The Ecoson is say it is a true, verdict on Akufo-Addo's government. And my advice is that let them listen, because things are not going well. Because we share, say no mind the mover abambia say also you can private sector. Private sector because the government sector no seriously speaking. Uka productivity very low. Even gra womu ubisa ahi no omni in terms of revenue generation. Ahi no omni count. Ahi government sector na kwa service. The service sector, health, education, when you know about spending also little comes from there because it's only a long-term investment. Anything no, baby are not there no affected the market women, the a lot. I move for about 90% of the working force of Ghana animal. Now and then they are buying here say because of their course how they handled finances during that period. Only I didn't. I must say the burden has become double. Coupled with the fact that even before the COVID, we started having problems because it do sometimes be not even the banking sector reform. No, the it was not on our books. We don't add it. Afe and a yede count and the real state I ever. Anything say private sector no and ebeboa create opportunities for the youth near there. Now and then also no you are overloading them with taxes now. That's what be sorry say enko here and say about it because honestly speaking pressure back from now going I no be heading. Now lucky I say for a very long time no for some time now the system has people are just trying to survive among for especially the transport sector for instance because of the diversity all the taxis and truck virtually they are almost charging the same and because people want for one person we juma one person we bibi keke at the end of the day only bibi kakra and yet amount for any profit too much na ka omo di profit san ka omo betimi save bibi again papa but they cannot continue like that because who driver ni na say bibi ko see when come no aba MP hold mo say me car ebia ni battery akowu ni ade but anka utimi na ejuma no ye profitable no utimi save kakra all those things no emma na ni nyina gina the cost of fuel the cost of running the business no now and then so yes this taxes e ba be guso no na no na ye bisa say aban no promise ye say those taxes they are the idea on farm massa now all the tax incentives mo and be grow economy no wow anything no aban na no more catch there no I be who say wa pretty virtue practicing vice no and am for ya sorry say no now you see politics no man for politics in room politics lead there me etimi yin fi mo ebe wom because sorry dem nyina wo ho no anything no every according to football you look for opportunity any the mistakes of your opponent to beat the person to show the other side that you can do better. The same thing on here 2016 they told the Ghanaians the yentimi anye ni ye ekankan enne light of the do so abas is here okay I see the magnitude fine but do so because anka yam procure I mean anka John Mahama accepted he took the responsibility or say yes he will not uncle can say will be no he is taking the challenge he will fix it and not procure those machines and then you the Ameri kukumasi car power what do you call it takradi and then atuabo gas we produce gas e the machines in and we produce it was some a decision I take at a point time na pressure oil so no it we to buy no nanka say lines no na problem say okay say we change lines now for 4 years they should have changed done that work but you didn't do it say I'm passing no na cost this year why didn't you do it in the 4 years no so they make an say anything no yeah problems they are real And when people rise up, can say, let's fix now. We need to do something. And I make us say, media, I see it as a verdict on Akufo-Addo's government 2017, 2020. I feel a man for realizing what we went through, and they are trying to, move out. Though too late, but it is not too early as people are trying to say. And give the government opportunity, to rectify some of the mistakes now, because at the end of the day, we are all in the same ship. The ship must not sink, because otherwise we will all, be eaten by the shark. And the government must also listen. The attitude, because the leadership, qualities, it will be our leading, a show when you are under serious criticism. Send an criticism, and never say you are prepared. But Bibi Kakra now react here, and no emwa. And let's allow the voice of the people. Let them sing their song. Let us listen. The woman ebeye ebeye. Yeah, fix it. And we continue to. Let's fix, because normal enkoyi. We are in trouble. I mean, we are in some difficulty, serious one. Because I'm even looking at what is going to go on. Sebani say, and then the situation now here Kwaku face. They said you see Tamana President Kufuor had to sell Vodafone issue, no. And then Kwaku about rooms. I say, if we don't take steps and your space. And yes, going forward is going to be very difficult. Well, going forward it's not going to be easy at all. And I believe, say, no, na government so share no cut cost to be the money I do baby. You reduce expenditure. Because honestly speaking, COVID the time no was a great opportunity I miss. Now my on various platforms. Because but we are not even taking advantage of Theo. Mami more example. The time COVID never first. We have problems with even setting up a labs and test near the veterinary for one PCRs near the one converti one. And calibrate one test KCCR4, CSR4, they all came together. So when we as IBA, they be American say no government bring enough money at their such institutions at their function. But you can enable them, you can create opportunity for them to make money, to help themselves. And in the time I see a BA airport. I was expecting government to do the same thing by giving that opportunity to those institutions now move back together. No? Instead of giving the project, the contract to Frontiers. Now, some amount of money will be retained in this country. Though they may buy some of the kits near from outside, but a lot of the money, even the profit and everything, it will help in building their capacity in terms of equipment near there. But government didn't do that. Only a different person. The reasons nobody knows. Unfortunately, company I did no unique gun or save any accounts Ghana. It will take tax saving. That was a missed opportunity. It was a missed opportunity. About planting for food and jobs, for instance. Planting for food and job. Uko CSR. Uko the various institutions, food research, whatever. Uba seed production. I mean, they be a lot of the professors, somebody like Professor Kantanka, cassava, all the whole of this West Africa, what do you call it? Rice, cassava. The various varieties in was developed. They were developed by our scientists in this country, and they are finding a way outside. Can you imagine that during the period I had planting for now you talk seedlings no you got toffee outside. Oh no, me ba.
Pangambo.
Me yebi. They make say, but no can say a lot. No, but the only say they didn't give it to Womu directly. Womu from institutions, no, directly. What they did, I didn't want to be few Womu change. No more coffee be fee outside Ediaba. You see, I'm saying this.
So we could have produced a
lot more. Oh, they're not so. You see. Anytime a scientist benya sika kakra with the lab no, it creates another a job opportunity for another young scientist. So they say. It's create more. Going forward, no. Let's look within, because government is the largest spender. It is the government sika be spend no spending or outsider. Now we are exporting jobs,
shipping jobs
out, and let's our quest to fix let's look. Within. And
capacitate our business.
All those amount of
for the private sector.
That's right, for the private sector. And another issue here. Various institutions speaking to each other. Look, Ghana had your problem back home. Obia person creating empire for him or herself. And Uko ministries now. Ministry of Roads, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Lands and Forestry. I mean, there is no collaboration.
Yeah.
It is one of the reasons why we are losing the fight against Galamsey as I speak to you. And we are losing the fight against even what do you call it? The
urban development and whatever.
Look, Uko, you see, Uko, baby, as a man, you see what we do, people no so.
Yeah, a friend is saying wages
through how many are they? Uko na uko bisa assembly na ho no ubisa wo say wo mama wo mu permit na obeka say o ma permit bi ai but e ba ne say na Ghana water and I say electricity corporation etimi de kania ko ho no na Ghana roads and highways and I say federal roads we control the road there they are ho no. If there's that collaboration now, one who said that area is a no-go area, and therefore they will not send water, they will not send this, they will not send that. Oh, and public sector, yes, coordination, yeah, that's right.
And that is under one stop.
That's right.
We are going to do
very well.
It's part of
that's right. Yes, we need to. Yeah. Okay. I've been talking about this, but I lead it to duplication. EPA for some year tree planting, forestry, lands and natural resources. So we waste a lot. That's another area. You lose a lot of money because the minister for lands is doing his own thing, environment is doing his own thing, roads and highways. Even road construction, it will affect the biodiversity of the place. Because they don't consult, they do everything afterwards. And they will be considering how to even take care of the place. Look at the Brie, for instance. Right?
Yeah.
Look at what is happening now. Can you imagine? Unfortunately for us, a honomono rock and igneous sedimentary, slabs. Electricity. What are we doing to ourselves? And say a bekoy nimudia and ye leadership. The leader must be up and doing. You're making sure, say, yes, are you a minister? You have a certain, level of authority be, but that authority, it shouldn't, contradict, the general or another forward march, another vision of the whole country, because you see a protected environment. We need roads. But roads, and say affecting, other things. We want to develop, we want to build houses and whatever. But at the same time, it shouldn't create problems for us. We have a
so that is the of public sector.
Public sector, that's right.
At the end of it, public sector has
Ekusi
one
on
corridor.
Correct. Very well.
Public sector has
Yeah.
one corridor.
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything we need
All
to.
that we are doing.
Yeah.
One corridor.
On corridor.
Yes.
Eti who here pa say, you know, when they are when see fix here, they have a reason.
A reason.
They have a reason.
And government should listen.
Yes, government should listen. But it's here for the politics, here.
Mobile.
Oh, anybody. You see, anybody. You see, who say politics in Japan here. What was that? Even I saw them cry. Oh, you see, me, I see they make up politics. I'm looking at it at say diversity of
Different
opinions and whatever and whatever they are. Oh, but at least let us not see the opponent as an enemy. Or no, nothing good can come from him. Yeah, yes, sir. A lot of the time we are going to miss. Now we take wrong decisions, and at the end of the day,
it will come back to hunt us. Yeah. Thank you. Honorable Okliti Taylor B and Amoten and Kano, Mr. Kusibuafo, and so Yadikai Aten and Kadada. Yemreni continue basi, but some pine say Ghanaians weighed Nana Akufo-Addo and John Mahama in 2016 and 2020 and passed the verdict that Nana Addo was best fit to be president and therefore renewed his mandate. Honorable Taylor B saying 4 months on, Ghanaians are now passing their judgment on the president. Please credit the Ghanaian with some intelligence. Sampine is the regional secretary of the NPP in Ashanti region.
Appreciating the context in which I make answer. I forgive him.
But I say,
I forgive him.
Oh, boy, that's
I forgive you. Maybe
yeah.
cruise.
Yeah.